In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Canada via Remitly. By the end, you'll be comfortable setting up a transfer, choosing how your recipient gets the money, and getting everything ready for review. Start by heading to Remitly's website in your browser. On the homepage, look for the option to send money and click it. This takes you into the flow where you'll set the country, amount, delivery, and payment details. If you're new to the platform, you can still follow along. Remitly will prompt you to sign in or create an account when needed, but our focus here is on the actual transfer setup. When the destination field appears, type Canada, then select Canada from the list. That tells Remitly where the money is going, so you'll see Canadian dollars on the receiving side. If you typed it correctly, you'll notice the interface switch to reflect that. Next, look for the amount fields. In the You Send box, enter how much you want to send from your side. The They Receive box will update automatically to show what your recipient will get in Canadian dollars. You'll also see the exchange rate and any fees included in the total. Take a moment to make sure the numbers look right. If you're aiming for your recipient to receive an exact amount, adjust the You Send field until the They Receive amount matches what you have in mind. Now choose how your recipient should get the funds. Select delivery method, then choose an option from the list. Common choices include bank deposit or cash pickup. Click. Select one to confirm your pick. Think about what's most convenient for your recipient. Bank deposit is straightforward if you have their banking details, while cash pickup works well if they prefer to collect the money in person. Each option may have different fees or delivery times, which will display on screen. Next, choose how you want to pay. Select payment method and click. Select one. For this walkthrough, choose card. Paying by card is typically fast and simple. After you choose card, click. Continue to move ahead. Because we're sending to a Canadian bank account, you'll now enter the recipient's banking details. Type in the account number carefully, then type the transit number, which identifies the bank branch in Canada. These numbers should be exact, so it's worth double-checking them against a bank statement or details provided by your recipient. When those are in, click Continue. Add the recipient's first name and last name exactly as they appear on their bank account. Names should match official records to avoid delays. Once those fields are complete, click Continue. You'll see a space to add the recipient's mobile number as an optional detail. If you have it, enter it so they can receive helpful updates about the transfer. If not, you can skip it. Click Continue to proceed. You'll come to a screen to confirm your payment method. If you need to add a new card, click Add New Card, then Continue. Enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of the card. Type your name as it appears on the card so the system can verify it. Then add your billing address. Make sure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file. Mismatched details are a common reason for payment issues. If everything looks correct and your card has sufficient funds, you're ready to move on. Finally, click Review Details. This page is where you slow down and confirm everything. The send amount, the receive amount, fees and exchange rate, the delivery method you chose, the recipient's name and banking information, and the card you're using to pay. You'll also see an estimated delivery time frame. If something seems off, like a typo in the account number or a name mismatch, go back and fix it now to avoid delays later. That's it. You've set the country, amount, delivery method, payment method, recipient details, and card information, and you've reached the review screen. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, you're ready to proceed with your transfer to Canada using Remitly.